to the cabin and it is so pretty. Like, we have a jacuzzi. Look at the motherfucking view. Oh my god. Look at the view. You are kidding me. And like everything, all the space is for us. Like, I am amazed. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna give you guys a tour real quickly. Here we have the foyer. It's like super small. It's giving like cabin feeling. Like you can see it from the wood and everything. This is the bathroom. Hey, it's so cute. And then here's the master bedroom. Oh, MG, I'm in awe. Like, are y'all seeing this? It's so cozy. Oh my goodness. And if we go to the main area, wait, this is an extra room, like I think for friends and family. And then we come to the main area. It's just a kitchen. This is such a cozy place. Oh my god. And then look at the view. Oh my god. Yes. Look at this view. It's waking up by the lake. So we're here for 3 days or 2 days? Well, 2 days and a half. And I'm just gonna vlog like a little bit. I still want to be in the moment and just enjoy my like peace and quiet. I didn't talk to you guys in the beginning of the video because like I want to do a little more cinematic. But yeah, let's just see what we do in the cabin and like how do we wind down and stuff like that. What kind of food we eat. I think tomorrow we might go fishing. It's my first time fishing, so that's gonna be something. I'm excited. Good morning, divas. It's morning in the outskirts of Iceland where we just woke up and the weather is giving. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, I don't want to leave. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here forever. Because tell me why I cannot just wake up to this view every day. Just the view of the water and nobody interrupting. This is too pretty. But we were meant to go fishing, but we woke up pretty late, so we're gonna have to skip the fishing. Maybe we'll go tonight. I don't know. We're about to eat breakfast and I'll show you guys what we're eating. Otherwise, why don't you guys take in the view? So divas, we are about to head to Geysir or Geysir, and also Gullfoss. It's like two kind of like main points in Iceland where a lot of tourists go. Well, I have been there once and once only, but I have never been to Geysir, so it's gonna be very fun. And I've lived here since a baby, like, and I have never gone there. So weird, but I'm really excited, and you guys are coming with me. So guys, we just finished fishing. We did caught one fish, but we let it go, but I don't think it survived. And my boyfriend is having a crisis. Well, he is having a lot of guilty feelings about it, that he ruined some fish's life, which I can't understand. And now he's checking if it's still alive. But we did let it go, but I don't think it survived. So, but my first time fishing went really well. I didn't catch anything except a rock, but it was super fun, and I'll definitely do it again. But I think this is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for joining me on this little mini cabin trip. I just love this kind of life. Like, it's so peaceful just coming here. Like, look at the view. And I hope to see you in my next video. I am freezing and I'm about to head inside into the warmth, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.